Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by changing the inputs YouTube uses, clear or pause history, and stop rewarding repeat content. Do this now so the algorithm loses its strongest short-term signals. Once done, unsubscribe or mute a handful of channels that dominate your feed. This reduces reinforcement. Then perform 10 to 15 deliberate searches and watch the target videos fully to send fresh, intense signals. This combination of removing old signals and injecting clear new ones starts steering recommendations toward what you want. Next, refine signals so the algorithm learns nuance. You should like and dislike intentionally. Use likes only for content you want more of, and dislike or not interested for noise. Create 3 to 5 playlists that organize the exact topic buckets you want, saving content signals long-term preference. Make sure to watch at least 50% of videos in those categories across several sessions over 3 to 7 days. Consistent watch time and playlist engagement teach the system context and priority. Finally, consolidate progress and verify change. Engage with core videos, comment, save, or share 5 to 10 pieces to amplify the signal. This boosts relevance more than passive watching. After about a week, evaluate your home and shorts tabs. If you see improvement, continue the pattern. If not, troubleshoot by testing incognito or a different device to check account versus device-level effects, or start a fresh account to compare. Make sure to repeat focus searches and curated playlist activity until the feed stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.